Week 7, Monday to Friday. Rooms in my house. Welcome, friends. Are you ready to learn about all the rooms in a house? See if you can find the hidden house keys in our video. Let's go! Days of the week. Friends, if today is Friday, what day was it yesterday? Yes, that's right, friends. It was Thursday. If yesterday was Saturday and today is Sunday, what day will it be tomorrow? Yes, friends, then tomorrow is Monday. If tomorrow is Monday, what do we call the day after tomorrow? Yes, friends, Tuesday is the day after Monday. Months of the year. Every year has 365 days, and every year has 12 months. These months start in January and end in December. Let's learn the first 3 months. January, February, March. Opposites. Opposites are words that mean the completely opposite thing, like how a dog can be big and then another can be small. Hard and soft. Hard is resistant to pressure, while soft is easily compressed or yielded. This is a side cutaway view of my house. Can you name the rooms with me? Mom or Dad's office, parents' bedroom, living room, broom closet or utility room, walk-in closet, kitchen, bathroom. We can also look at the house from the top. This is called a house floor plan or a blueprint. We can see how we can move inside the house. Kitchen, living room, front door, bedroom, bathroom. Close-up of the rooms. Houses have a combination of the following rooms. Walk around your house and see how many rooms you recognize from our video. Garage. This is the garage where Mom parks the cars. Dad keeps all his tools in the garage. My sister and me keep our bikes in the garage. Laundry room. Here is where we wash all our clothing. Mom also irons the clean clothing here. Dad keeps all the strong cleaning chemicals on the top shelf out of the kids' reach. Kitchen. Our kitchen has a stove, an oven, and a wash basin. We also have a fridge and various appliances. We help Mom to make dinner every evening, and Dad helps with breakfast in the morning. Living room. Our TV is in the living room, and we also have a big couch. We can play games on the TV with Dad, and he lets us win a lot. On Friday and Saturday evenings, we can eat dinner in the living room. When are you allowed to eat dinner in the living room? Dining room. We eat dinner in the dining room. My sister and me must set the table every evening except Fridays and Saturdays evening. We also do our puzzles and homework on the large dining room table. My sister's bedroom. This is Sammy's bedroom. She has bunk beds, and when one of our friends visit, we have an extra bed. There is also a small desk for her homework and to do crafts. My parents' bedroom. This is Mom and Dad's bedroom. We are not allowed to play in their bedroom. and they do not have superheroes or Elsa on their pillow casings and duvet covers. Bathrooms. Our house has 2 bathrooms and a guest toilet. Our mom and dad's shares one with a shower and a bath. My sister and me share one with a bath. My bedroom. This is my bedroom. I am allowed to have a computer in my room to help me do my schoolwork, but I can only use my computer for 2 hours in the afternoon. I do not mind because then I can play outside with my best friend Tommy. Home office. Mom has a home office. She works from home after she dropped us off at school in the morning. Do you recognize this number? Yes, friends, it's number 7. Let's count from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do we call this color? Yes, friends, it's white. Let's look around and see what items are white. What do we call this shape? That is right, friends. It's called a half circle. Let us look around the house and see if we can find this shape. Exercise of the week. Let's practice to balance on one leg. Now let's try the other leg. First, you can hold on to a chair to help support you. Later in the week, you must try to at least balance for 2 to 3 seconds without help on each leg. Task of the week. Ask a family member to help you with this task. Stand in front of a closed door of a room in your house. Let a family member open the door and count to 10. While they are counting and the door is open, see how many things you can see. Now, close the door. Try to remember as many things as you can that you saw inside the room. Congratulations, friends! Well done on completing this week's theme. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for learning about my house. Till next time. Bye!